Amidst endless possibilities, one organization stands out, devoted to helping young minds discover their true potential. Welcome to VitalLink, where dreams become reality. At VitalLink, our mission is clear: to empower the next generation to explore and experience career pathways that secure their future. Through our innovative programs and initiatives, we offer a range of opportunities to ignite young minds and guide them towards their passion. Step into our VitalLink Academies, where students delve into immersive learning experiences. Here they gain hands-on knowledge and skills directly from industry professionals. Our industry and college tours take young visionaries on captivating journeys, allowing them to witness firsthand the vast possibilities that await them in various fields. We believe in the power of guidance. Through our skills workshops with mentors, seasoned professionals share their expertise, inspiring and nurturing the next generation, all while focusing on the skills every employee needs to be successful. Through competitions like VitalLink's Energy Invitational, students have a platform to showcase their talent and ideas. This is where we witness the future in action, as young innovators race their eco-friendly creations to the finish line. VitalLink's competition is a gateway for young talents to foster innovation and create a brighter future for us all. With our career exploration activities, we open doors to a world of options, providing young individuals with a chance to explore their interests and find their true calling. Imagine a future where every young person is equipped with the tools and knowledge to pursue their dreams. Join VitalLink today and be a part of a transformative journey that will empower the next generation to unlock their full potential and help them realize their dream careers. VitalLink, building brighter futures.